This is the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, and one of the standout things about this device is what's inside. A massive 7,000 milliamp hour battery. Yes, 7,000. Starting with the packaging, clean, minimal, and very much in line with the Edge series style. Let's lift the lid. And here it is, the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. Straight away, you can see that it's sleek edge design, it's slim, lightweight, and has that premium finish that really stands out. Up front, you've got a large immersive display with very slim bezels, which makes everything from watching videos to scrolling through socials feel very smooth and engaging. Flipping around to the back, you've got a clean and modern camera design that sits nicely within the body of the phone. Let's quickly jump into the camera. You've got multiple shooting modes, great image processing, and plenty of flexibility depending on what you're trying to capture. Motorola has been focusing a lot on improving the camera experience. So whether you're capturing quick photos, shooting video, or snapping something for social, you've got a really capable camera system here. With its 50 megapixel Sony LYTIA 710 sensor and 13 megapixel ultra wide on the back and 32 megapixel camera on the front. Looking around the device, you'll find the power button and volume controls on the side. The overall phone feels very comfortable in the hand, slim, balanced, and very much keeping in with the Edge series design. The fingerprint sensor is also in the screen on the front. It's also super durable with IP69, IP68 water protection, and also rated to 810H military standards. Back to the box to see what else you get. Inside you'll find the charging cable, documentation, phone case, and everything else you need to get started. So first impressions of the Edge 70 Fusion: premium edge design, huge immersive display, and that standout 7,000 milliamp hour battery built for serious power users. If you're someone who wants a phone that can keep going all day long and then some, the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion might be the one to keep an eye on.
Hello, Moto.